We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up BABA, Alibaba Group Holding Limited. Let's see what's going on in the market. We are on a monthly time frame. So price action is currently here. Price action is the last active candle. So if the market goes up in price action, how far would it go up? It will be this level here. If market goes down from price action, how far would it go? The lowest low will be here. I'll stop it in the midpoint between this area we stopped at here with the wick and the lowest low here. Now we're going to add the midpoint right in the middle. Now let's head back to price action. Let's read the market, see what's going on. So work your way backwards. So the market is currently price action is at a low, and we work your way backwards is at a high. What comes up must come down. If not, the market will keep on pushing up. So once the market came down, the area of what happened in this area, let's read it. So it looked like we got a single top in the market retest. Market pushed back down and retest. So we got some type of single top in here. The market came back down in this area and retested about twice before we got about 3 pushes to the top. 1, 2, and it's the third push. The market made it towards lower lows. We have a small candle forming showing that the market can be losing momentum. Also, when the market is breaking through an area of a midpoint, we're looking for the market to do what? Break that area like it did, but it'll come back and retest as it currently did with this doji here. The market came down. So now once the market is at this low, there's a few things that can happen. It can consolidate sideways. You can see a double bottom form in here. The market will shoot back up after a few retests. Also, the market can create that M pattern. So it can come back down. Still further up. Back and retest. Come back down, come back up, come back down. So that will be starting this leg here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market drop down. So then you have a double top in this area. So we'll be seeing that the market's going to sell down. So that's multiple things that can happen in the market. So we know the market's at a low. And what's at the bottom must come up. If not, it'll drop down further or consolidate. So let's head down to the lower time frame. So we are on a weekly time frame. Our markups are still on the screen, so everything still looks clear. So I did say the market came out of a single top in a retest. So I go to single top and there's a double retest. Retest once, retest twice. Market pushed down once, twice, maybe about 3 times look like so far. So we got about 3 pushes down to the bottom. So market could be losing momentum. And we'll be looking at the market coming back up after the double bottom. If not, we'll see an M pattern form and the market drop down or we go sideways. So let's head into price action, see if we can identify what is going on with the market. So the market's still forming. It's in an area of consolidation here. So we still have to wait for the market to break out or break out to the upside or downside. If not, the market's going to keep on consolidating. So what the market did, it came down to a low. It came back to retest. So the first line I drew, the first leg, this is the second leg. The market is on its third leg. We're not too sure how far the market's going to go down. The market does break this retest area. The market break the support. It can come back to retest and drop down further, and that'll be the down pattern of the market. Now it'll consolidate sideways, or that first leg that we've seen that turned to the second leg. So we have a first leg, a second leg. We're not too sure how far this third leg going to drop. And say it drops right here. It can come back up for that fourth leg, create that double bottom, come back to retest previous areas of resistance, turn to support, and the market's out of here. About 3 pushes to the top. It can lead back up to higher highs. but we're not currently sure yet because we don't see any movement. We only see first leg, second leg, third leg. It still have time to build. Let's look down the time frame and see if we see anything else. So I'm going to draw this consolidation line over. So when we go down the time frame, we can see how tight it is. Okay, so let's see what's forming in that area. So it looks like it's some type of pattern forming. Let's see it. So we got that first leg, we got that second leg, we got that third leg. We have a fourth leg, and it's the market retesting. Okay, so after retest, if it's a true double bottom, the market will push up, retest, push up again, retest, push up again, about 3 pushes to the top to reach higher highs. It can. If the market doesn't do a double bottom after that retest, so we can get the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push up once, market push up twice, market push up 3 times. You can just keep on consolidating sideways until you get that full breakout to the upside of the night. So it still have a long way to go to consolidate if it wanted to. And if the market drops down from this area here, the area will start from the lowest of the lowest low, and it will be first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we're looking for a retest back to higher highs, and the market could shoot down 3 times. Okay, so we still have days to go for we see it breakout. Now, if the market start breaking out, the area low now, let's say within the next few days, let it break out the area support. We'll look for the area to retest, and we'll take it down to the downside if that does happen. Let's look at the 1 hour, see if we see anything. So it's all scattered around here. I mean, you can still see almost like the same pattern that we've seen here earlier. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. This is all one retest. So we're still in that double bottom of that retest. Market could be pushing up. So same concept, daily in the 1 hour, same time frame. Wouldn't go down to the 15 or 5 or the 1. Very important information, guys. When it comes to understanding patterns in the market and what direction you're going to go into, go to Google, type in Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet, click on images. Please review the images, and it'll help you identify what the market is doing. When the market is at an area highs or lows, or maybe at a midpoint. Another very important information is going to Google, typing in breakout and retest strategy. The market always does breakout and retest. If there's any uptrends that you see, the market always come and do those breakouts. If the market's at a low, as we've seen plenty of times, I just discussed in the monthly time frame, the market was at a low and it broke through the area of resistance, turned to support, came back to retest. And once the market retests, if it's a true uptrend, the market retests in that area. So we look for entry here, it will take it to the upside. If it's not a true retest, the market will break, retest the bottom, and drop back down. So it'll be a downtrend. So if it's not an up, it's not a down. Only thing left is what? For the market to consolidate sideways until it finally breaks out to the upside or breaks down to the downside. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. BA.